Hey guys, Cass here, and this is Crazy Easy Keto. Serving up low carb deliciousness topped with crazy and a side of fun. Yeah. Oh, sorry about the camera wobble. I'm still getting used to this setup. Anyway, let's get going here. So today we are going to make garlic butter shrimp. Yum. And we are actually going to put that on top of this zucchini, which we are going to turn into some noodles or zoodles, zucchini noodles. Haha, very clever. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to just kind of chop our zucchini kind of in half or so and grab this guy here, which is a veggie spiralizer. You can get them super cheap. I think this one was like $6 at Walmart, and it's really easy. You just stick that on there. You don't always need to use that extra piece. Sometimes it helps. Sometimes it is kind of obnoxious. Like right now, it's going to be annoying. And then you just turn it. Oh, it helps if I have it on camera so you can actually see what I'm doing. And there you go. Turns into noodles. Easy peasy. So I'm going to try and get that on camera and just get some noodles in there for you. Oh my goodness. Sorry guys, this is my first video with this crazy hands-free phone thing I made, so if it's wobbly, I apologize. So I'm just cranking out those noodles. Yeah. While I'm doing that, I guess I can tell you a bit about why I'm doing keto. A lot of people think it's not super healthy, and I was one of those. So you can see when you're done with the zucchini, that's what you got left, is just a little chunk there. Yeah, that's good enough for now. That's a good amount in there, about a cup. Anyway, so what I was saying, I started doing keto because it just made sense. Like the more carbs and bread I ate, I felt slow and sluggish, and it was not a fun experience. So I thought, well, this cuts out that stuff. Maybe it'll help. And it did. It's been great. But I'm a mom. I've got 3 kids. So it has to be stuff that I can do quick and easy and around all the chaos that comes with that. So that's why I created this channel, was to share some of those easy recipes with you guys. And yeah, if you try any of this out, let me know in the comments. I would love to hear from you. So now I'm just going to take a chunk of butter here and throw it into my pan there, which should be getting pretty hot. There we go. Get that good and melted. And even though we just made the zucchini noodles, we're actually going to put the shrimp in first, because that way when you're done with the shrimp, all the butter and garlic that's left in the pan, you can cook the noodles in and it tastes really good. If you're just doing the noodles and you're not doing shrimp, you can cook them with olive oil or really any kind of oil. I just like the flavor of butter. Feel free to experiment. Yes, that was my notes over there because I was afraid I'd get nervous. So we're gonna just let that go for a minute. While that's doing that, let's throw some garlic salt in there, or whatever seasonings you like. I'm just a fan of garlic. It's a good flavor. Works with like everything. And I don't measure my seasonings. I just toss it in there. The zucchini noodles, sometimes when you spiralize them, you'll get like super duper long ones. Do I have any in here like that? No, of course not, because I wanted to show you guys. Okay, there's one that's pretty long. And you can just break them apart into smaller chunks. Some people wrap them up in a towel and press the moisture out before they cook them. You can. It's not really necessary. I don't usually. Then you just give your shrimp a few minutes. I got the like pre-cooked stuff, so I'm just really just heating it back up because, again, I want this to be easy and quick. So once they're nice and hot, we'll pull them out and put our zucchini noodles in. But while that's going, maybe I'll throw a few more noodles in there. I think there's a bit more I can get out of this zucchini. Sorry guys, I know this is probably the most chaotic cooking video you've ever watched, but this is like the first one I've ever made, so we'll learn together. Yeah, so I am on low carb, but like I said before, I have kids, so I don't make them go low carb. So a lot of the meals that I make, it's just for one person. So I want something that I can do quick and easy. I don't want it to take a lot of time because I am still cooking a regular, you know, standard meal for the rest of my family. Oh, and I ripped out the top of my zucchini. Yep, see, that happens sometimes. Okay, well, I guess we're done with that for now. We need to get a little bit more noodles in there. And I like doing it in a measuring cup because if you are like really tracking your carbs and stuff, then you know exactly how much you're eating and you can really track that in any app that you use, which I do recommend. If you guys are serious about keto and just starting out, use a app of some kind to help you track what you're eating. It's really helpful. Also a fitness watch so you can track your the calories you're burning as well. Helps a lot. Okay, so the shrimp's pretty good, I think, and we'll just kind of pull that out. I'm putting it back in this bowl here for a minute. And while there we go, got that there. I'm gonna throw the noodles just right in here with that butter and garlic from before. You can add more seasoning if you want. The zucchini noodles, oop, there I go, wobbling the camera all over the place. The zucchini noodles cook up really quickly. They only need a couple of minutes. In fact, a lot of people will eat them just raw even. I mean, it's just zucchini. It's nothing crazy. I only give them a couple of minutes. I don't want them super soft because they do get really soft really fast. Sorry guys, this is awkward because I'm grabbing another bowl out of the cabinet there while these go for a minute. But yeah, just a little bit of butter or oil, whatever you want, to saute them in for a few. And then I'm going to toss the shrimp back in just to make sure everything's really well cooked. And if you are like me and you are a cheese fiend, that's okay. It's totally fine on keto. I'm not going to measure it right now because I didn't grab out a tablespoon. But again, if you're seriously tracking it, you can always grab, you know, a tablespoon and measure out what you're dumping in there. But cheese is totally good on keto. And yeah, so it looks pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and pour it into this little green bowl. Yes, I use my kids' plastic bowls. Okay, mom life, man. So let me turn the burner off and I'll bring that over here. Look at that. It's beautiful. Now, can I get it in the bowl without spilling it everywhere on camera? That'll be the real trick. Oh, yep, there we go. Dropped shrimp on my stove because I just cleaned it. That's how that works. See, guys, dropping shrimp. But hey, at least the stove's clean. And there you have it. More cheese is always good. Ta-da! Easy peasy. Less than 10 minutes. Food's ready. Anyway, thanks for checking out my very first cooking video. If you guys want to see more stuff like this, give me a thumbs up, subscribe. You can always hit me up on Twitter or Instagram too. I can link those in the description on this video. Till next time, peace.